Okay, we got this one installed. Kind of in a rush and didn't think about getting the camera out, but we got this one plugged in here. We got it strapped, keep it getting moved. Got it ran right up there, pointing in that direction, about 2,000 feet. I can even feed them houses over there if I really wanted to, on the other side of the waterway. Yeah. All right. That was it for the day. Let's see, this is 192. Got the lock on it. Ready to go. Simple. It's supposed to have, you can't even see the antenna. You look at it from off the ladder, it looks like a little speck. If you look down that way, go around that curve, and just keep on going. I think it came up to something like 1,980 some feet or something like that by Google Maps. It's hard to even see the 120 sector AP. I can see the dish. But it's all running. It's supposed to have 25 and she's getting out 27.